Sometimes if you have a feeling, you gotta look for the positive side. You might find that it's fulfilling to have a little more inside.
Number one, where was the last place you left her?
At the dentist.
Number two, have you even been inside?